Hello everyone, welcome to Data 3 Network. I am Siddharth, founder and CEO. Today we are diving into a demo to show you how Data 3 is tackling one of AI's biggest challenges. You see, AI needs data to train and perform its magic. But here's the problem. Most AI models are trained on open source data sets or data from the public web, and we are hitting the ceiling of what's available and what the data can offer. That's where Data 3 Network comes in. We built this platform to solve the problem, allowing AI to train on private data without ever moving, copying, or compromising it. Your data remains under your control always, with you deciding who gets access. Today, we are showing you how to create your own private AI agents using your personal and private data. Let's get started. The first step is visiting testnet.data3.network and creating your account. If you're a crypto user, we have airdrops and rewards for each one of you that participates in the network. You would get an email verification. It'll look something like this. You select your free plan. We have the Plus and the Enterprise coming soon. And then we are onto the dashboard. So we'll build our own AI agent using our private data. Let's get started. So today we are going to build an AI healthcare assistant. It's going to take all my healthcare records, my insurance data, and it's going to give me information about all of that. So I should be able to ask questions about it, and it should be able to go through all of that information and give me meaningful responses. So I will name it as my healthcare advisor. In the next parameter, you see a lot of these fields are already filled in. This is configuration for how your private data should look like and where it is going to get deployed on. Fields and values, and then we can just click on save. Now we're going to take a moment for this to get configured. It takes somewhere around a minute. So we're going to wait till the system gets configured. Once it's configured, the system status will change to configured, and now it's ready to use. You can look at the name in the description that we'd given and verify the parameters that you had put in. Now, this is a private chat interface. It only knows information that you have provided. It does not have any information outside of the context that you have provided. Let's check that by asking, you see it says that it does not have any context about it. So that's good. You remember we had mentioned to keep a note of the passwords. They're going to be needed every time you access the system. So now we are going to upload some files. Here I'm going to upload my healthcare record, and I'm going to show you what that healthcare record is. This is these are all my medical tests that have been done on a certain date. It has all tests and values. Now I'm not a physician. I do not know what that means. So I'm going to upload it to the system, and let's see if the system gives us any results. The files have been uploaded. So now let's ask it some questions. What are my abnormal test results? Now this is information that it did not have, and let us check if this information is correct. Now it says the direct bilirubin test is abnormal, it is 0.3, and the reference range is between 0.0 and 2. Let's look into the report and see if that's correct. We see that the direct bilirubin is 0.3, the reference range is between 0.0 and 0.2, so it's clearly out of range. Let's ask it some questions about my insurance. It does not have any information about insurance because we have not uploaded that information yet. So let's go ahead and add that information as well. So this is my insurance policy, and now I've uploaded the document. Let's go and ask it some questions about the insurance now. There you go. So you see how easy it is to extract information from complex PDF documents. You just need to upload them. These are your private documents. Nobody has access to it. Yet you're able to get all the benefits of AI designed just for you. That's the power of AI unlocking private data. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching the video. We'll have lots more to come in the next videos. So keep watching, keep following us, and talk to you soon.